So El Michelle and I made a stop over at the new zoo. And there's the lioness sleeping over on the rock. But the real cool thing here is the lion sleeping over here by this window. It's over here by El Michelle.
I was twitching a little bit.
I saw, yeah. When I was taking the picture down there, he like had a little smile going on.
I wonder what he's dreaming about.
Let's go this way, guys.
He's dreaming about eating the giraffe across the way.
Yeah, okay.
He's dreaming of a big juicy steak. You never like really get to see him up this close. That's so cool. Like look how like meaty and muscular and massive it is. Oh, you're the cat lover, El Michelle. You gonna take one of these home?
No, this one is too dangerous.
Oh, too dangerous. All right. Yeah, look at the paws. That's just.
If they stay little forever, I mean, that'd be cool.
Yeah, little baby lions are cute. But yeah, that's a big lion. I'm just waiting for him to jump up and be like, "Arr."
It's moving its mouth in its sleep.
Nice.
Maybe he's dreaming about food. He's moving his mouth in his sleep.
That's so neat.